Hey friends, so today in a lab we have the topic Introduction to AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So in this lab we are going to create the Elastic Beanstalk. So before dig into the lab, we need to discuss about first what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So AWS Elastic Beanstalk provide an environment for deploying and scaling web applications. An environment is a collection of AWS resources such as EC2 instance, a load balancer, and auto scaling group that are used to run an application. And the next says Elastic Beanstalk support multiple environment for an application such as deployment, staging, production. Each environment can have different configurations such as instance type, load balancer, uh, security group, other, right? And the Elastic Beanstalk provide various pre-configured platform to deploy applications such as Java, .NET, Node.js, Python, Ruby, and the Docker. And also, the last not the least, the Elastic Beanstalk can automatically provision and configure the necessary AWS resource such as EC2 instance and security group, load balancer, all that based on the selected platform and the environment configuration. So now let's start our lab. So on the lab, the first task is we need to create your first Elastic Beanstalk application. So yeah, so we have the the service Elastic Beanstalk, right? So in this task, you will learn how to navigate to Elastic Beanstalk and create a new environment with specific configuration, right? On the navigate part, you have to navigate the Elastic Beanstalk by clicking on the service menu on the top, then click on the Elastic Beanstalk in the compute section, right? So we have the service, right? In the service we have the compute, and in the compute we need to search Elastic Beanstalk, or you also can find out with the help of search if you know about this name correctly, right? So once Elastic Beanstalk is open, so you will be present with the getting started screen, right? So let's comment out. uh, just wait a second, it's going to be load. Yeah, I believe it's done. So now you see the create application button here. So we need to click here to create our EBA, right? So the first step, we have the configure environment, and in the configure environment page we have the environment type. So we need to select the web server environment section because we need to run a website, web application, or web API that serve HTTP requests. So right now we have requirement on this, right? One thing is note, this is usually the name of the product, or I can say the project that you are building. So what is the application name we are going to provide? We have the application name, that's the sample underscore application, because we are creating the sample app right now. Okay, and in the under platform, for now we are choosing the Java. Okay, uh, we have the platform managed, and the platform we are going to choose the Java, right? And the platform branch we have the Corrado 21 running on 62-bit Amazon Linux 2023 image, right? And the platform version will be the 4.6.2. All right, cool. Now we have to click on the next and leave other uh, points or fields will be default. So we have the next, and what is the next step? We have the configure service access. So here we need to choose existing. What should we pick up here? I believe role we have the Elastic Beanstalk which I have created. Yeah. So on the service role, we have to choose this. This is like created by us. So in detail, like right now we are not going to discuss, but yeah, in the future video where we are like talking about the IAM role and policies. So yeah, definitely I'm going to like explain detail in that video, right? And we have the I can say instant profile. So we have the EC2 role, right? For now, we are not going to like create the EC2 key pair because it's optional and we don't want to be like perform any action here. So yeah, we just go for the next, and on the next we have the setup networking database and tags, right? So first we need to choose the default BPC, the same we are discussing in other video about the BPC, right? And we need to check some of the subnets, right, from the instance subnets. So most of the time we are choosing the A1 B1 according to our location, right? So we have choose this, and now I think we have to like make it default the rest thing. So just go the next. Okay, so now we have the configure instance traffic and scaling. So for the capacity say I think there's a something capacity, yeah, we have the capacity center, right? And under the instance type we are removing the existing one. So we have the instance type and we are removing the existing one, right? And what we will need here, so we have to pick up, I think, T2. Let me search it. Yeah, T2 micro, correct? What is this? Yeah, we will discuss in the EC2 videos where we are discuss about the EC2 service, right? Okay, now we have choose this, and the rest thing we need to put the default, right? So let's check. We have the configure updates, monitoring, and the logging section. So here we have to check manage platform updates, right? Where we need to uncheck this. We don't want to be manage update right now to save our price. Okay, because we are on a free tier, so we don't want to be any extra thing here, and we have to keep rest things as a default and click the next, right? So once the all the fields are completed, so you will able to see right now the sample application in the dashboard. So this is the main plastic beanstalk like a screen. So for to view that screen we have to like create this beanstalk. So yeah, you will see this window, right? This is a sample is like a sample application window, right, where the all the information are here, correct? So if you see the domain part, right, let it be like a completed, then I will like explain you. Okay, so we need this URL because this is the your application URL, right? And to test your application, so we have to copy this URL. So just let it be completed, then we have that URL, right? And it is showing like this will take a few minutes. So meantime you can take the screenshot of this image because this is the high level architecture of the Elastic Beanstalk, right? So it will take a time. Mhm. All right, I think I should pause my video. So when it's done, then I will continue again. Yeah. So yeah, now it's successfully launched. So I'm just going to click on the domain. So you will see the page which we have created right now. So it's a live, right? Welcome to your Elastic Beanstalk application. So if you want to go one by one the each section, so yeah, you can go and check it out, right? So this is the first thing which we have created right now. Okay, so you need to figure it out what's the initial things this Java application to provide us, right? So suppose we have the Amazon Corretto 11. So what is the Amazon Corretto 11? So you can just click on it and read it about, right? So these all the things you need to do by yourself. So I think in this video I have done. So let's connect with the another video, right, with the different lab. So yep, thank you so much, have a great day.